Welcome to ReachOwl. In this video, you'll learn how to create a campaign and filter your audience by gender. Let's get started. First, click on the Create Campaign button. Next, choose a prospecting option. For this example, I'll select the first option, which is designed for group campaigns. Now, select a group from the list of loaded groups. After that, choose a purpose card. In this demonstration, I'll select Follow Request. You now see several input fields that can be customized according to your requirements. Locate the filter audience by gender option. Here you can choose between male, female, or both. For this example, I'll select female. Once you've completed the configuration, click the Save button. That's it. Your campaign has been successfully created. You can now view the results. As shown here, ReachOwl has scanned the selected group and identified 4 female audience members that match the campaign criteria. To learn more about ReachOwl's powerful automation features, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thank you for watching.